Hi friends, it's Lisa Hetrick, illustrator for Gina K Designs, and I'm so grateful you could join me today. I have a brand new stamp set to share, and stencil and die set. Let's dive in and take a look. Let's dive in and take a look at the brand new stamp set called You're the Sweetest. This stamp set was inspired by baking. You might not know this, but I love to bake and I love to try new recipes. And I do love to make desserts. So super, super fun set. It's got a lot of really fun elements on it with this really fun layered cake, some little flower accoutrements. We've got little flowers for the top of our cake, a little bit of whippy cream for our cake, some cherries, which makes it kind of fun. And I also added this really fun cup that could be like a latte with a cherry on top and the cake plate. So just kind of a super fun builder set inspired by baking and sweet things, and just a really fun set that you could give your card project to for any kind of occasion, which is super fun. So here's the stamp set, lots of really fun layering elements. We've got a coordinating stencil, and you can see that my coordinating stencil is already well loved, just as much as my stamp set, that has coloring elements for the cherries, for the cup, for the whipped cream, for the flowers, and of course, for the layers of the cake. Now, the cherries also have the shadow elements to them, which makes it kind of fun for creating a little bit more texture and dimension. And there's also a coordinating die that goes along with the set. That's an option for you for You're the Sweetest. So let's dive in and take a look at the inspiration. I have a few cards to share with you today. Look at this card, just super fun. Just a little bit of a toss. We've got that background piece in the background. Now, there is a die that will cut that out as well. In the set, we've got You're the Sweetest and this cute little toss of the cherries. And you can see with the coloring stencil how you can add just that little bit of extra texture and dimension on the cherries. And I've got some more samples with that as well. Here's another example with all of the flower accoutrements that are in the set. You're the cherry on top, got the cake plate in the bottom, and I've got some of the flower elements that are just kind of on top of this, really cute mug, and the little cherry on top. This stamp set also kind of has like a little bit of a 50s vibe to it, a little bit of a retro look to it, depending upon what colors you use. I used really super bright colors in my samples because of florals and just really, really fun pinks. So, okay, this is another really fun sample using the cherries and doing a pattern toss. Many of you know that I like to create stamps that we can stamp again and again and again, and possibly use our coloring stencil to create the color. Not a lot of extra dimension to the card, but a really using color and using pattern, creating a lot of texture. I love this card. So here is the layered cake, and I also used the coordinating stencil with it. Put this cute little peony-like flowers on top. Hope your day is layered with joy. This is a great birthday card, or it can just be kind of a generic card. Any kind of day that you want to celebrate with joy. I have a really funny story about the inspiration for the cake that I'm going to share on my tutorial this week. More about that at the end of this video. But the inspiration for the design of this cake, it is hilarious. I think you'll find that story super fun. Okay, here is another card that uses the cake plate element and also uses the whipped cream to kind of create almost like a cupcake, which I'm going to share how to use the different stamp elements in this set to create cakes, cupcakes, lattes, like all these different kinds of things that you can create with the elements. But this is just a super fun, quick, easy card. I also use the stencil, the coloring stencil, for the leafery that's on the cherries in the background as well. So I like mixing that coloring stencil with the stamps to kind of create a little bit of different texture and dimension. Here's that super fun card. Okay, I like this card. This one might be my favorite. Several of them are my favorites, but I took that background and just kind of turned it so that you got a little bit of a different look to it. That background with the diamond shape kind of has a little bit of that retro feel that I was talking about. So popping this really cute mug on top and then making it kind of look like a really big latte with a little cherry on top, just super fun. Just kind of fun and whimsical. This whole set just brings me great joy and just brings a smile to my face because it's just super fun and whimsical, a little bit different designs from me, but just super fun. Okay, here is another really fun card that just uses that cherry pattern toss again. Got a little bit of our flower accoutrements on here with You're the Cherry on top. I really like how I don't always do this with my card designs, but I really brought this design in to the center of the card, and so that you could see more of the background. And I really like how that red pulls the red of the cherries. Okay, here is another really fun example of using the cherries as that pattern toss and doing some loose and free watercolor. You could easily, this is just some washy watercolor. I could easily go back over top of my watercolor with the coloring stencil and add more texture and dimension to the color. You could use your colored pencils. I love taking the coloring stencil and going back over top of something that I've watercolored in my card just to add more depth of color. Of course, you could do that with watercolor, but if you have the stencil, it's just kind of fun to play with. So taking a quick peek at the cards again, I think these two are my favorites. I really like the simplicity of the card. However, there's a lot going on. There's a little bit of texture and dimension. We've got some things popped up. And this layered cake just, I cannot wait to tell you this story on my tutorial this week about the inspiration for this cake. But how fun is that? It kind of looks a little bit like a red velvet cake in this card, but you could make it any color cake that you want to. Okay, friends, as with all of my stamp sets, I have a brand new card idea sheet for You're the Sweetest, and I've got 8 different card ideas on here. Some of them I kind of shared tonight, but some of them I haven't. So I can't wait to share more in the upcoming tutorials. Also in this download is the coordinating stencil guide. So I show you the different stamps that have coloring stencils and then what they look like when they are colored in. So here's the mug and the whippy cream, and here are the cherries and the different elements that build the shadows for the cherries. So there's a lot of really fun elements in the coloring stencil set. Okay, friends, let's take another look at You're the Sweetest. This is the stamp set that's available now at GinaKDesigns.com. And the coordinating die set is also available, and the coloring stencil is also available. Also, real quick note, you can pick up my You're the Sweetest card idea download in the Gina K Designs Facebook group. It'll be in the files section, or you can head on over to my website at indigojadeart.com and click on freebies, and every single card idea sheet for every single stamp set I've designed with Gina K is available there to you. Okay, friends, thanks so much for joining me tonight. I hope that you really enjoyed the inspiration that I shared with you tonight for You're the Sweetest. I'm super excited for this stamp set. I know that I say that every single month, but every single month and every single release with Gina K is pure joy to me. Okay, friends, sit back, relax, enjoy the rest of tonight's release party. I will be going live this week tomorrow, Wednesday at 11:30 with a brand new card tutorial using You're the Sweetest. And I think I'm mashing it up with something else. I'm not sure yet. Okay, friends, I hope to see you tomorrow. Thanks so much, Gina and Tom. This is going to be an amazing release tonight. I'm so grateful to you both and to you all for joining us tonight. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time, friends. Bye now. Thanks so much for watching. Please consider sharing the joy by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. And you can watch more card and watercolor tutorials here. Thanks so much. Bye.